悪魔になるしかないんだ。そうだろう、スパイ。
What is up, guys? My name is Brendan, and today I'm proud to announce that the Progression Bible is complete. The Progression Bible is the second volume in the Mastering curriculum. It's an ebook series that I created to dictate my tricking philosophy, so that way people can really understand how I approach the sport. The first volume, How to Start Your Tricking Journey, was all about how to start the sport, what it means to be a tricker, what does it mean to do a combo. And that one I cut the price on so that way it can be available for everybody. The second volume I just finished, it's a lot longer and more in depth. It's titled The Progression Bible, and it's all about how to get good at tricking. All of that is available on my website, howtomastertricking.com. Thank you guys so much, and thank you to everybody who's already bought it. It's been available for like 2 days, and people are already getting it, and it means the world to me. Thank you guys so much, and have a lovely day.